Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Are you thinking about trying Rocksbox, or maybe you saw my other two Rocksbox videos and wanted to see some more unboxings? Well, I got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my third Rocksbox delivery, trying on all the pieces in the haul and letting you know my first impressions. Do you want to try Rocksbox for yourself? Well, I can give you your first month of Rocksbox completely free. I will put my code here on the screen for you, and there'll be a link in the description box below where you can sign up and test it out for yourself. If you're new here, I'm Savvy Sophia. This is a lifestyle channel where I share beauty, style, and positive inspiration with you. So if that's your thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join my community, and follow me over on Instagram for more daily life. If you just did that, cheers! Welcome to the family. All right, I've got my wine in hand, my Rocksbox. What else can you ask for on a Sunday? Let's get to unbagging. So if you don't know, Rocksbox is a monthly jewelry rental subscription service. I have two other videos out if you want many more details about how it works. But for now, I'm just gonna get to unboxing. By the way, this is the bag that you are going to use when you send your items back at the end of your rental term. So here's our box. Let's get to unboxing. Hold up, there is a big old cut in this box. Looks like somebody maybe took a box cutter to this accidentally. Hopefully nothing inside is damaged. All right, my friends, first up we have something here from Kendra Scott. So I have never tried a Kendra Scott piece of jewelry before. I understand she has a big loyal following, so let me know in the comments down below if you've tried Kendra Scott jewelry and what's so special about it. I guess I am about to find out. So those are the Kendra Scott Elle earrings in black. The retail price is $55, and this is a first. The member price is $55. Usually as a member you get a discounted price, so I'm a little surprised. I'm guessing Kendra Scott has a certain threshold that she doesn't allow her retailers to price below, and perhaps that's why there's no discount here. I did also notice there was a little card about the designer in the box or in the pouch, which you normally don't get. I really like these. They're nice and heavy. I like the detail of how it is hanging. I think these are great. They are a little heavy, so they're gonna pull a bit. I think I could totally pull them off with just kind of like a plain shirt like I have on now, or even an evening gown. So let's try these on. Gotta take off my existing jewelry. Gosh, every time I take earrings off, I just think about those awesome TV show scenes when a girl takes out her hoops and she's like, what, I'm ready to fight. But instead, I'm taking out my little studs and putting on some Kendra Scott earrings. Okay, I love these. They are definitely elegant. I love the black. I don't think I have any black earrings. Maybe one pair that I got for free when I worked at American Eagle in high school. Anybody else work at American Eagle or in the mall in high school? Let me know. Anyway, what do you guys think? If you like these, let me know in the comments or give me a thumbs up. I'm literally crawling on the ground right now because the Kendra Scott earring, I don't know, somehow it got disconnected, and I was gonna keep this one. This is supposed to be the high-end bougie brand, you guys. I gotta find this. Don't know what happened, but wanna help me look? Found it. I take back the mean words I said. It's a counterweight, that's how it's connected, and it just slipped through. So it didn't break, that's the good news. Thought I had to update you. We have, just says Rocksbox, so I'm guessing this is a Rocksbox house brand, which I've seemed to have a hypothesis about that being the case with certain brands, especially when I look some of them up and I don't find them on Instagram. I think they have some private label, this one being an example. This is a necklace by Ava Rose. That is the Ava Rose Austin pendant in gold and black with Druzy. If you watched my last video, I figured out that Druzy is a real natural stone. I was really surprised because when you look at it up close, it totally looks man-made, crafty, sparkly, but it's a real thing in nature. Google it, because I did. By the way, I just want to take a minute to say, how are you guys doing? I know there is a lot happening in the world right now. One example is I live in Southern California and we have a lot of smoke, really poor air quality outside, and so we have to be indoors a lot more. I could list a million more things that are happening in the world right now that are even more important, but just wanted to take a second to ask you how you're doing and let you know that I support you, I'm here for you. Feel free to leave me a comment down below if you want to check in. Okay. Next up, we are going to try on the, oh, maintenance guys here. Ava Rose. We clogged our sink this way we clogged our sink this week, by the way. My husband may or may not have accidentally turned the disposal on when we had measuring spoons in it. Anyway. Okay, I love this. There's something so feminine about a necklace that hits you right under the collarbone. This is definitely a winner. I love the black with the gold. It actually goes with the earrings quite well. What do you guys think? I love these kind of necklaces too because you can layer them. I could totally wear this with a plain t-shirt or with some bat wing sleeves like my favorite YouTuber, Sophia Nygaard. Anyone else a big fan of hers like I am? So next up we have something from Dusk. This is a brand I've gotten before in my 2 previous Rocksbox. I really liked it. It had a very dainty, thin, layerable feel, and they are, I believe, an LA-based brand. I'm here in Orange County, not too far, and boy, do they deliver on consistency. That is exactly what I was expecting for a Dusk piece. This is a great little, I don't think it's quite a choker, but it's gonna come up high on the neck. I'll definitely try it on for you guys. And it has 14 karat gold and silver plated one-of-a-kind hand-set gemstones. So let me get you a close-up of those gemstones. That is the Dusk Gemma choker in pink. Retail price is $70, member price is $59, so there's that discount. Okay, let's try on our last piece. This is the Dusk choker. Oh, I love that. It's barely noticeable, but I think that's just the style now. For so long, I was wearing those big, chunky, you know what I'm talking about, the big, chunky statement necklaces, and I think I've determined, oh my gosh, the sound. I think they're snaking our sink right now. I love the pearlescent nature of the little stones on here. Can you guys see those? Oh my goodness. Now I have to decide which one is my favorite. Is it this piece by Dusk? Is it the Ava Rose pendant? Or is it the Kendra Scott earrings? I'm going to say that this Dusk piece is actually my absolute favorite. I just think it's something that's so new to me to be wearing these light dainty pieces, but I'm all about it. Everything I've been adding to my collection lately falls into this category. So I think I'd have to pick this one because it feels like such a new, exciting experience. And that's the cool thing about these subscription services, guys. This is why I get so excited to do these kind of videos for you, because what they allow you to do is to try out styles, fashions, jewelries, depending on which one you're doing, that you want to try but maybe are out of your comfort zone. Maybe you wouldn't normally pick that up at the store because it's kind of a risk. So that's what I love most about doing these, but hey, they do add up. I do not keep all of these subscriptions all the time. It might seem that way on YouTube, but truth is usually I'll do 1 month here or there and cancel. Would love to do them all the time, but hey, girls got a budget, right? Okay, my friends, I am very, very pleased with this haul. Out of all 3 boxes I've done so far, this one has been my absolute favorite. I think the pieces match my style perfectly, and thanks to you all for trying out Rocksbox for yourself. I've earned some credit, so I might even keep some of these pieces for myself. That's a cool thing about Rocksbox is you can get a unique member promo code, as well as a referral link. So I'm happy to refer you if you want to try your first Rocksbox completely free. And once you like it and you've tried it, if you continue using it, you can get your own code and share that with your friends and family to get some credit to use towards items in your box. That is one little caveat, is you have to use the credit on items you currently have on you in your box. I do wish they would allow you to use that on the whole store, but I'm still excited to be able to pick out some pieces to keep. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, it made you happy, it brought you any value whatsoever, give it a big thumbs up. Please leave me a comment to let me know what your favorite piece in the haul was. And don't forget to subscribe. That allows you to get notified every time I make a new video, and I will continue to make these videos about style and beauty. And I would love to hear from you what kind of videos you want to see me do more of, because at the end of the day, these videos are for you. I have a blast doing them, but I'd love some help on what you'd like to see next.